Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Constructed on land area of 1,500 square feet is a two-story, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathroom dwelling house with the following accommodations: ground floor, 1 bedroom ensuite, open space living and dining room, kitchen, study, and laundry, with enclosed front patio and garage with electronic door. The first floor has the primary bedroom with ensuite and two other bedrooms and bathroom ensuite, a study and front balcony. All bedrooms are air conditioned and ceiling fans. There is also a water storage tank. The back of the house is semi-covered with decorative grillwork and the floor area is also tiled. There is also a storage room. The house is in excellent condition, very well maintained, and is absolutely inviting. The exact location of this house is in Oncidium Court, Spanish Town, St. Catherine, Jamaica. Other features of this house includes ceramic tiling, fully walled, central location, easy access, family oriented, private setting, and quiet area. The current price of this house is Jamaican 25 million or US $159,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.